Welcome to the myprojectbazaar.com. This is our project title, ClubCF, a clustering-based collaborative filtering approach for big data application. This is the abstract of our project. In the recent days, the web domain is augmented with new types of services, with the increase in service and cloud computing. As a result, new forms of web content collecting and designing is done based on the numerous openly available web services on them. These services are utilized in many ways by different domains, and with exponential growth of these web services, users are experiencing the difficulties in finding and utilizing the best matching service for the mashup service. A collaborative filtering approach is going to filter and recognize the similar services under same cluster, and followed by those evaluation recommendations are made. Especially in our process, we are going to use the agglomerated clustering algorithm to perform clustering process, and for the similarity evaluation, we are going to use three types of similarities. One is the Jacob similarity, then Cousins similarity, then the characteristic similarity, which is a combination of Jacob and Cousins similarity. Finally, we provide our output result as in the form of the recommendation list. This is the flow diagram of our process, that is a DFT of our process. In this, we just first enter into the system. Afterwards, we receive the input. The input is in the form of the textile recommendation. So, here we provide the information as the address information as the input. After the input, we are perform the pre-processing step. In the pre-processing, we are going to remove the unwanted values. After that, we are going to perform the stemming process. In the stemming process, we are going to convert the keywords, that is in the normal words into keyword. The keyword conversion takes place in the stemming process. After that, the similarity evaluation takes place. There are three types of similarity. In the Jacob similarity, it contains both the Jacob similarity and the Cousins similarity. Afterwards, we perform the characteristic similarity. Finally, we perform the clustering process. In the clustering process, we provide the agglomerated clustering algorithm. After that, for the similarity and correlation analysis, here we are going to perform the Pearson correlation coefficient. Then we finally use the predicted rating. Then the process gets in. Finally, the rating gets predicted. In addition to the predicted rating, we are also provide the recommendation list as the output. Our output is a recommendation. The recommendation list is mainly for provide the alternate solution for our process, because if the user preferable item is not present, means he not get satisfied. So for that, we provide the alternate solution for their process. Let us see the demo of our system. First of all, we open the VM workstation and provide the Hadoop username as a Hadoop-user, provide the password as the Hadoop. Then we open the Eclipse software. In the Eclipse software, the project named ClubCF. In that, right click the homepage.java. Then run on Hadoop. In this, choose an existing server. Then click finish. This is the home page of our process. Here we are going to load our data set. Click the browse and select the article record. Then open. This is the file name, file size and the file type. Then here we are going to view the information present in our data set. Then we load the information into the database. Then we perform the pre-processing step. In the pre-process, the unwanted values are get removed, like null values, question mark, etc. Then the pre-process results get stored in the HDFS Hadoop distributed file system. Then view that information. Next, then we perform the stemming process. The stemmed results also get stored in the HDFS. Then click these are the stemmed results. Then we are going to perform the first similarity, that is a description similarity. Here we are going to use the Jacob similarity measure. The similarity gets calculated. After that, use the similarity result. Here we are going to perform the similarity for the each and every style present in our data set. Then next. Then we are going to perform the functional similarity. In the functional similarity process, here we are going to use the cosine similarity approach. Similarity calculated successfully. Then view the functional similarity values. Then next. Here we are going to perform the characteristic similarity. In the characteristic similarity, it is a combination of functional similarity and the Jacob similarity. Then view the characteristic similarity result. Next. Then we are going to perform the clustering process. In the clustering process, we are going to use the agglomerative hierarchical clustering. It is one of the hierarchical clustering and it follows the bottom-up approach. The clustering process takes place. Then view the clustered result. These are the clustered results. In the cluster 3, these are all the informations are present. Cluster 2, these are all the informations. Here the clustering is divided into 3 types of clusters. Some of the styles are present in each cluster. Next. This is the user preference page. This is the main user page. Here the user should select their preference. That is nothing but a style. Here I select the casual as a preferable style. Then we evaluate the relevant cluster. In this cluster only our preferable style is present. These are all the res information related to our style. Then we evaluate the rating. That is the similarity of our preference to the existing user preference. Then click OK. Then view that preferable values. This is a casual preference similarity values. This is one. Then we provide rating prediction. Here going to predict the rating of the user preference. That is based on the user preference we are going to predict the rating. Our predictor rating is a 5 for the preference casual. Then here this is a final page. In this page we provide the recommendation style as the output. Just click our recommendation style, that is our recommendation list is our preferable style is a casual. We can able to purchase the party style as an optional one. Here this is for the feedback page. Here we are going to enter the user ID. Then here we can able to choose any of your feedbacks. If it is excellent, this recommendation is satisfied for you, means you just click excellent, then record. The feedback record is successful. Then view the feedback results. These are all the existing user feedback. Then show the comparison evaluation. Here we have performed the 2 types of comparison. One is execution time, another one is efficiency. This is a execution time. Here we are going to compare the hybrid collaborative filtering approach, clustering based approach, content based approach. The clustering based approach takes less execution time compared to the other approaches. Then the efficiency. Efficiency is higher for our clustering based approach apart from the hybrid based approach and the content based approach. The comparison evaluation, here we are going to compare the hybrid collaborative filtering approach, clustering based approach and content based approach. In the hybrid collaborative approach, it is a combination of model based approach. These are also existing approaches. In the content-based approach, it only based on the contents. If it is a textile recommendation, means it only based on the textile information alone, it provides the recommendation. So in the efficiency process, it tests overall the contents. Afterwards, only based on user preference, it performs the results. In the hybrid approach, it based on the model. That is a design and somewhat etc. So based on that only, it provides the recommendation. But in the clustering based approach, initially we provide the analyzing of data takes place. First of all, we collect the information, analyze the styles present in the information, then we perform the clustering process and store the results. Afterward, the user enter their preference. Based on the preference, we provide the exact result to the users. If in case the exact result, that is user preferable style, is not available, means it provides the optional, that is an alternate solution, which is a recommendation list. This is an alternate solution for you can able to purchase that item also. So both the efficiency evaluation and the execution time evaluation. Because of this clustering approach, we can able to search the particular result only in the exact cluster alone. You need not able to search the information in the all clusters. So it reduces the time, it reducing the searching time, response time, etc. It provides the recommendation list in a very short execution time. Thank you.